In today's video, we're gonna demonstrate how can we assemble the chain drive for garage door after receiving the product. First, let's start by connecting the steel rail using the steel rail connector. Now let's move on the stopping point of the steel. As you can see the marking, you need to push the rail until the marking point. Do the same for other as well. Now you'll fasten the spring using the provided screw. It is essential for string security. First the bracket, then the spring, and on top of that there will be screw. Now fasten the screw. Finally, use manual release to check the chain drive.